You know, bundi is my favorite snack, but I have this mixture with me. But I can separate easily by hand picking. But what if a solid is mixed in a water or any other liquid? How can we separate it? Let's watch it. Hello friends, welcome to Tinker Lab at Home Motor Machines. In this video we will see how to separate a solid substance from a liquid, right? But it's very simple process. So we'll need the double pop bit, we'll need these two magnetos, of course the motor and power source. We'll need the 5 ml syringe, and we'll need this small container, and we will need these two small test tubes and this orange pieces from the foam board. You will get this in the Centrifuge Mania box B4 and also in the kit. Let's get started. So now what I'm going to do is I'll take this chalk piece and I'll just scrape off some of it and collect the powder into this container. Now this will be the solid particles, and in this I am going to add water. Now with the help of the syringe, take approximately 4 to 5 ml of water and pour it in this and mix well. Now we have these small test tubes in which we will fill this water, right? So now the test tube's capacity is 2 ml, so we will be filling approximately 1.5 ml. We need not fill it completely. So I'll take the syringe, get it, and you can just open it and fill it slowly. Similarly, you can fill the other one also. Now we will take each of these tiny test tubes and fix them here at the center of these pieces. You can just insert them till here. Similarly, the other piece also. Now once these pieces are fixed, you can place them onto the circular disc which we fixed on the motor before. Now our basic setup is ready. Let's switch on the power source and see what happens. Now this will take some time, right? So you need to be patient. Let's start. Now let's turn it off. It is slowing down. Now remove the test tube slowly so that it does not get mixed again. Now you observe closely at the bottom here. You can see the chalk piece particles have deposited here. Now this happens because of the centrifugal force, and that's why the name centrifuge also comes, right? When it is spinning fastly, all the particles go and deposit at the edge here. Now in the similar way, you can try out the same experiment with a muddy water. You can try with different liquids also. So keep tinkering. Have a nice day. Thank you.